So, cheap bumper mounts for ZJ. That's just 2x4 box tubing. Oh, I think it's more obvious on the other side. You just open up the frame rail with a grinder. You know, don't cut the pinch welds or anything, but... And then a 2x4 box tubing will slide inside. I really should make plates for this, but this is held pretty well on two I've had so far. There's some big solid washers, 4 bolts. The stock location holes for the stock tow hooks work pretty good. The bottom ones, not so much. You're going to be way in the bend of the tubing. So just drill 2 more. This is something I tried this time, don't bother. Just cut your tubing so it clears that. That worked better on the last one I did. The other thing I like to do, you cut your tubing in such a way that you can drill the threads out of the radiator support and run 2 bolts up, 4 bolts sideways, and it's held up pretty good on 2 I've done.